Walmart pickup wait times depend on store conditions, order size, staffing, and how quickly your items are prepared after you place the order. By the end, you'll know what affects Walmart pickup timing, how to check your order status, and what you can do if your pickup is taking longer than expected. The first thing to understand is that Walmart pickup does not start when you arrive at the store. Your order must be picked, packed, and marked ready before you go to the pickup area. The fastest way to avoid unnecessary waiting is to check your Walmart app for the order status before leaving home. If the order does not show as ready, the store may still be preparing it. The biggest factor affecting wait time is order complexity. A small order with common items may be easier to prepare than a larger order containing many products or items that require substitutions. If your order includes substitutions, unavailable products, or items from different sections of the store, preparation may take longer because employees need to complete more steps. Store traffic also affects pickup speed. Busy shopping periods can create longer preparation times because more customers are placing orders at the same time. Before driving to the store, open the Walmart app and review the pickup details. Confirm the pickup location, time information, and whether the order status shows that it is ready. When you arrive, follow the pickup instructions shown in the app. Make sure your vehicle information is updated if the app asks for details because this helps employees identify your order. If your pickup is delayed, check the app first for updates. The order status can show whether the order is still being prepared or if there is another issue. If the delay continues, contact the store or Walmart support with your order information. Providing the order number and explaining the exact status shown in the app makes it easier to get help. The main points are simple. First, Walmart pickup wait time depends on preparation, store activity, and order details. Second, checking the app before leaving prevents unnecessary waiting. Third, clear order information helps support resolve delays faster. Your next step is to check your pickup status before heading to the store and arrive only after the order shows as ready. If this guide helped you understand Walmart pickup wait times, like the video and subscribe for more practical Walmart guides.